You are going to love the 2024 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.